Oh god, that thing's still alive. Get a broom. Give a broom. Okay. Brian, come on, baby. Oh my god, she dropped it. Ah! Oh my god.
Bright Eyes,
Oh my god.
get it out of my house. Get that giant lizard out of my house.
Oh my god. Yes, baby. It needs to go that way.
It needs to go out of my house,
Oh
please.
my god. Oh.
I've never seen a lizard. No, don't take him under there.
Oh, she dropped it again. She
Oh,
dropped it again. Dropped it again.
it's running. It's running. What is that?
I don't know. Oh no. No.
What is that thing?
I don't know.
Okay, broom. Broom.
Broom
Here,
was like 5 minutes
you
ago.
hold it.
I can't find it.
Him outside.
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I don't know.
Where is he?
Oh, he's behind the chair.
Okay. I've never seen a lizard this big.
Do you have it? Do you have the lizard?
I do have the lizard. I have the
Oh
lizard.
my gosh.
Stay there, buddy.
Oh
Stay
my gosh.
there. You get out of my house.
Oh my gosh.
You're looking at the light.
Okay. Oh.
Look
What
at the
is
size
that?
of him.
It's like an iguana. And he ate the tail. You can tell where the
Whoa.
tail used to be.
Okay.
Oh god.
We're gonna take you